It's time for another gardening update.
Look here, look here. The rosemary is doing well. Even new growth right there. So it's hanging in there. It's like it's new to soil. I love it. Thank you, rosemary, for surviving for me. I love it. So we also have thyme. It's still growing. Tall as ever. I love it. I need to harvest some. Good looking out, thyme. Thank you for doing well. And what have we here? This is parsley. Doing good in its new soil. Getting on up there, parsley. And this is some more basil growing. Baby basil. It's doing pretty good. I love it. And this is the other basil that I grew from seed. Everything I'm showing you grew from seed except the rosemary. And this right here is sage. Hopefully it'll grow. Nothing yet. And this here, this herb, this is cilantro. Doing good. I love it. I need to change the soil for the cilantro eventually. But it's doing great. I love it. Good, good, good. That thing that's in the lily plant has came out of there. It grew right out of that leaf. So some of you say that's a flower. I don't know, but that's what's growing out of the lily plant. Let's come over here and see the condition of the oregano. I put the oregano in the new soil too, and it's doing pretty good too. Yep. Oregano is doing good. I like the little hanging part right there. I did harvest some oregano. The nasturtiums trying to come back. Okay, let's look at this pepper over here. It was a big old black, ugly looking bug on my pimento plant. But here's a pepper. I just harvested, I guess. This is the what I said he was, Anaheim peppers. I think. Ooh, look at me jumping. I got more Pablino peppers growing. It's a fat one right there. Afraid to put my hand over there because I don't want that bug that was go over there to get on me. I'm gonna stick. This pepper right here is so big. Go for it. Oh, I got it. It's a nice big size Pablino pepper. Okay, so that's the garden. I just giving y'all a little tour. There go some more Anaheim peppers right there. The Anaheim peppers are doing good. Nice green color. Beautiful. Love it. And the lily plant is looking like it's about to bloom some kind of red flower, I imagine. I don't know. You guys know about the lily plant blooming red flowers? Say so in the comment section. This is what's going on. The lily plant is blooming some red stuff out of it. This is shooting out of the leaf of the lily plant. Success, success on the balcony garden.
I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.